Hello. What's your name?
My name's Rosie.
And my name's Tim.
Hello, class. My name's Miss Jones. Oh, who's this?
He's Billy.
Hi, Billy. How old are you?
I'm 2.
I'm sorry. Come on, Billy.
Goodbye.
Look at the train, Rosie.
A train? Oh, Billy. They're my school things. Look, what's this?
It's a pen.
And what's this?
It's an eraser.
Can I have my school things, please?
Okay, here you are. Your pencil, pen, and eraser. This is your doll. And this is your ball.
Where's my teddy bear?
Is this your teddy bear?
No, it isn't. This is my pencil case.
Is this your teddy bear?
No, it isn't. It's my bag. Look, Tim. Here's my teddy bear. It's in my bag. Let's put on sunscreen. First, my arms.
These are my arms.
Now, my nose.
This is my nose.
That's right. Put it on your arms, your nose, your face, and your legs.
Okay, Rosie. Look, Rosie.
Oh, no. Look, is Billy a teacher?
Yes, he is. And Tim is a student.
Is Grandma a teacher?
No, she isn't.
Coming.
Look,
Oh, no! Look at Grandpa! Is he a firefighter?
No, he isn't, but he is a hero.
Oh, no!
Good try, Tim. Where's the ball? Is it under the seesaw?
No, it isn't.
Look, the ball's on the slide.
Oh, no! Look at the ball now!
Yes!
And now it's in the goal!
let's find the others. Look, this is Mom's book. And this is Billy's teddy bear.
And this is Mom's umbrella.
But where are they?
I don't know.
Look, ice cream for you.
Oh, thank you!
Help! The clothes! Look, this is Rosie's dress.
Are these her socks?
Yes, they are.
Is this Billy's t-shirt?
Yes, it is. Put it in here. Are these his pants?
No, they aren't his pants. They're my shorts.
Look, I have a certificate.
Very good, Rosie. Go and show your family.
Where's Grandma? Is she in the kitchen?
No, she isn't.
Are Dad and Billy in the living room?
No, they aren't.
Surprise!
Good job, Rosie.
Thank you.
It's lunchtime.
Oh no, I don't have my lunchbox.
I have 2 sandwiches and 2 drinks. Here you are.
Thank you, Tim. I have an apple. And I have a banana. Choose one. Thanks. The apple, please. Look, now I have 10 sandwiches and 6 drinks. Please have some of my lunch. I have a new friend. Look, this is Alice with her teddy bear.
She has curly hair.
Yes, and she has blue eyes.
My new friend is Adam. He has curly hair too, but he doesn't have blue eyes. Look over there. It's Adam.
He's with Alice.
Are you friends?
We're brother and sister. We're cousins, and now we're all friends.
The zoo! Great! I like animals.
Look at the elephants, Billy.
Oh no, I don't like elephants. They're big.
Look at the giraffes.
I don't like giraffes. They're tall.
Billy, you like animals, but you don't like elephants, and you don't like giraffes.
Look over there. I like monkeys. I like monkeys. They're little, and I'm little too.
Yes, they're funny, and you're funny too.
Rice, meat, and carrots for Billy. Do you like carrots, Billy?
No, I don't. No carrots for me.
What do you like, Billy? Do you like yogurt?
Yes, I do.
Okay. First your carrots, and then a yogurt.
Finished.
Good boy. Here's your yogurt.
I like yogurt. Oh no.
Look, there's a doll on the rug. There are books under the bed.
Sorry, I can clean up. Look, Grandma.
Good girl, Rosie. Good job. Now the apartment is clean.
No, it isn't, Grandma. Look in the kitchen.
Do you like my hat?
Oh, Billy.
Look at my toy. His name's Action Boy.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Look, he can run. Look, Tim. Action Boy can fly. Great! Can he play soccer? Yes, he can. Look, Rosie. Action Boy can walk. He can run and he can fly.
You are smart, Action Boy. How old are you, Action Boy?
He can't talk, Rosie. He's a toy.